How to verify your account on OnlyFans. In this video, I'll show you how to verify your account on OnlyFans. Let's get started. First, make sure you are connected to internet. After that, click on any browser. Here I'm using Google Chrome. Now on the search bar, type in OnlyFans. Now scroll down and click on this logo. This is the official website of OnlyFans. Now you need to log into your account. If you are not logged into your account, click on home and you will be loaded to login page. Then type in your credentials and click on login. After you log into your account, you will see this page, and here on the left side click on my profile. Now click on edit profile option. Now click on account and here click on this email option. Here it is shown that this mail is not verified. Click on the send confirmation option and check your email address. You will receive a link to verify your email address. Click on it and follow the instructions. And that's it. This is how you verify your identity on OnlyFans. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and comment down below if you have any other queries. Thank you.